Hey, what's up guys? It's Tech Jake here, and today, we're diving into a seriously impressive piece of lab tech, the AmScope ME600T-8M digital microscope. If you're into advanced metallurgical analysis, detailed material inspections, or just want one of the best digital microscopes out there, this one's a beast. The ME600T-8M isn't just another microscope. This thing is engineered for precision, combining top-tier optics, flexible lighting modes, and digital imaging that captures even the tiniest imperfections in full detail. It's got a magnification range of 50x to 500x, perfect for looking at everything from grain structures to coating defects. And these PL10x extreme wide-field eyepieces? They reduce eye strain while giving you a super wide and immersive view. Lighting is where this microscope really shines, literally. You get bright field, dark field, and polarizing modes built in. Bright field is great for transparent or reflective samples. Dark field highlights edges, cracks, and surface flaws by hitting the sample at an angle. Polarizing light? That's your go-to for anisotropic materials, letting you see stress patterns and internal structure like a pro. It's all powered by a halogen light source with a rheostat, giving you precise control over brightness, so you get the perfect lighting every time. On the digital side, it packs a high-res 8MP camera with a reduction lens for capturing sharp images and smooth video. The software is clean, easy to use, and perfect for documenting your findings. Navigating your sample is buttery smooth thanks to the double-layer mechanical stage. You get accurate XY movement and uniform lighting. Everything just works exactly how it should. Here's a quick breakdown of what you're getting with the AmScope ME600T-8M. 50x, 500x magnification. PL10x extreme wide-field eyepieces. Infinity plan LWD optics. Bright field, dark field, polarizing illumination. Halogen lighting with rheostat control. Large mechanical stage. 8MP digital camera with capture software. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. Halogen lighting generates heat, and you might need to replace the bulb every now and then. And because it's packed with advanced features, beginners might face a slight learning curve at first. But once you get the hang of it, this thing is unstoppable. So, if you're in metallurgy, materials science, or you just want lab-grade performance at your fingertips, the AmScope ME600T-8M should be on your radar. It's powerful, precise, and versatile enough for real-world research. If you want to grab this microscope at a limited-time discount, hit the link in the description below. It helps support the channel and gets you a killer deal. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more tech reviews, lab gear, and epic tools. This is Tech Jake, signing off. See you in the next one.